Back with the latest on Georgia's probe into meddling in its 2020 election.
Later today, a Fulton County court will hear arguments on whether to release a report by a special grand jury. That report looks at whether former President Trump and his allies illegally tried to overturn Georgia's election result. NBC News correspondent Blayne Alexander is outside the courthouse and joins us now. So, Blayne, what can we expect from today's hearing? Who's expected to participate?
Well, guys, good morning to you. We expect to hear from a number of different stakeholders in this, but perhaps top of that list is Fulton County DA Fani Willis. We're going to hear from her or members of her team. Remember, she has not publicly said whether she wants this report to be released, so hearing from her will certainly be interesting to see which way she goes on this. We're also going to hear from a number of media outlets, basically a coalition of news gathering sources who say that there is extraordinary public interest in making this public, and they're even citing that the special grand jurors themselves wanted this to be made public. So they're really pushing for this, of course, to be released to the public. And then finally, guys, we could also hear from some lawyers for some of the witnesses along the way, perhaps most notably or specifically those who were notified that they were targets of this investigation who could argue for or likely against its release.
So, Blayne, what's at stake if the report is released? What are the possible implications?
So, Joe, remember, this is a body that doesn't issue subpoenas, but instead they investigate, they have subpoena power, and they can take that investigation and give recommendations. So what we would likely see if this report were to be made public is whether or not there are recommendations for potential charges to be made in this case. We would also learn, more from what happened behind closed doors. Remember, we're talking about 8 months or so of testimony, so we could see, what questions were or were not answered. And then also just information that comes from this as this fact-finding thing took place.
Blayne, we understand Trump's attorneys will not be present at the hearing. What's his team saying about this?
Yeah, they're saying that they're not going to be present. They're not going to be participating in this hearing. They've also made an interesting revelation that the former president has not been subpoenaed, was not subpoenaed to come forward and appear, and was not asked to voluntarily come forward and testify either during the course of this. So they really made the point that to date, they have not been involved in this process at all.
Okay, Blayne, thank you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.